a girl aged 23. I come from Bare, and I am the second born in a family of 4. And currently I'm studying an honors degree in accounting at the University of Zimbabwe. First days at my university were really hard for me. At times I had to think it was better for me to go and learn at some colleges because the environment was not conducive for me in terms of skills. I couldn't access some of the lecture rooms. So life at UZ at first it was really hard for me. Realizing that I was facing those challenges of not accessing some of the lecture rooms, Disability Resource Center offered us some helpers who push us around the campus so that the learning process would be easy. DRC, in conjunction with Endless Possibilities, came and their activities were so interesting, and I decided to join some of their activities. I remember some of the activities that we did were business plans, business networking. We also practiced tips on how to pass an interview, and lectures were really helpful for me because they were equipping me for my industrial attachment, which I did at National Foods. Through Endless Possibilities, I picked up some vital tips which they taught us when I was at UZ. Now that I was at National Foods, I benefited a lot because they taught us about confidence, how to be confident, and I had to apply it when I attend meetings. I had to be confident, and I had to relate to other people in a way that they will not feel that different from them. And also Endless Possibilities helped me to prepare for interviews. I remember I had to go for an interview, and I learned that dressing and presentation, how you present yourself was really important if you are going for an interview. So Endless Possibilities helped me so much. It groomed me to be who I am.